Hello and welcome to the other video in absolute beginner guide for a Todoist. In this video I'm going to share you how you can use labels in your tasks. For example, I create a project for a YouTube videos, and YouTube videos can have a multiple types of videos. For example, I can create a how-to videos, I can create a to-do videos, I can create cooking videos, I can create a travel logs, all those things. So I can differentiate between all my YouTube videos task with the help of labels. For example, this video is cooking video, so I can add labels. Type at the rate sign, it asks me that this label is already available. If label is not available, then you have to write, for example, I want this video is of type cooking. So it asked me label not found, so I can create. So I am going to create this label and save it. Similarly, this video on a stoic idea about anger management. So this video comes in the category of motivational, right? Or I can add another at the rate self or self-help, right? I'm going on a third video, and here labels can be possible of travel log. So here I'm going to add a new label that is travel log. So I use this travel log as its label for that task. So there are more examples for, you can say, labels, and labels can be across all different projects. For example, if I have two projects, that one is personal project and second can be work, right, related to work, that task is not more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 3 minutes. So I add another label for 30 minutes. So I have to, before leaving the office in the evening, verify that all, say, take around 30 minutes. So it asks me that either I have to go to create a new one or existing one. So I can use this task per day, this task as a 30, and now I want to edit that task and move into my work routine. Okay, and priority to my manager. So manager spelling is wrong, I am going to update it, and I also change this project to inbox to work, right? And this email 10-minute task is also I want as a work. Now I want to do my personal task, and how can I use these labels there. So create a children rated label, and that task I can also label to children's. And then we have option to see all labels. These are our labels, and you can see it show me that how many tasks inside certain labels: read label, cooking label, travel log label, 30 minutes, and children labels, etc. You click on these labels, it show me that all those tasks are added into a labels. And more interestingly, you can see it also show me the work, that these two tasks under the work project. If I go back into a labels, then I click on a travel log, I click on it, it show me that it is under the YouTube video project, right? And so in this way you can create labels and utilize into your workflow. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.